This is room M316 on the Royal Princess. It is a mini suite. It's a little bit different than your average mini suite. Some of the things in here are a little bit lower, almost as if it was an accessible cabin. You'll see in this closet, it's got this additional bar that's lower. It also has this bar, which I'm not quite sure what that's for. But I mean, I guess it could be convenient if you've got some extra clothes. It does give you an additional rack down here to hang shirts and clothes on. And then in this cabinet, the safe seems like it's down a level too from where it is in other cabins. The bathroom door has an additional hook down here lower. Other things particularly about this shower, for one, the little laundry hanger is down here pretty low. Or, you know, take this off and shower. So if you're taller, you might not want to book this cabin. All right, so let's go take a look at the rest of the room. So you can see that this thermostat's also been lowered. Here's the side of the bed. There are no USB ports on our lamps. Underneath the bed over here, there is a European plug that looks just like this guy. So that's how I've got our fan and our phone chargers plugged in, is with a European adapter plugged in underneath that bed there. And this cabin can accommodate 3 people. So if you had the third person, the bed flipped up, this is what it would look like. It does not fall down from the ceiling. It just flips over on the couch. And here it is, the single bed. And it is a foam mattress that is used. There it is. So. And there are curtains too for privacy if you do have that third person here. And their own television. We don't have the fancy dry bar dryer in here. I've been in a mini suite on this ship that had the yellow dry bar, but this room does not. Our room short left us some towel animals, very cute. There's our mini fridge. And here's some more plugs over here. It's just a regular plug. And then I found this interesting. We got this little laundry slip today. You can send out your laundry and go home with all clean clothes. And here's our balcony.